Hello everyone, I'm your new coworker and I'm an Englishera. Halata, a lot of people that I work with, they find me so strong. As in nosebleed sila. Like Epixtaxis, Epixtaxis. Just like that, I get it a lot, but it doesn't offend me. Pero yun lang, baka ma-overwhelm kayo sa akin. It's like super overwhelming. And baka ma-overwhelm din ako sa inyo pagka straight Tagalog. It's so hard
Eche,
for me
bahala kayong kumausap dyan.
to comprehend. Alam mo, bago ka pa lang dito, pero parang gusto ko nang sampalin yung uso mo eh. Dire-diretso ko magsalita, naiirita ako sa'yo eh. Oh, did I intimidate you? Kasi I swear, like dire-diretso, pag ako nag-English, like super highway. As in, go, go, go! I hope it doesn't intimidate you. Paduguin ko yung uso mo eh. Ha? Akala mo kinaganda mo? Hindi ka intimidating. Irritating kang hayop ka. Nanginginig yung lamang ko sa'yo, ha?